April 15th, 2022. There's a saying that a woman who changes her hair is about to change her life. It feels purposeful, powerful, inspiring, like something well thought out and intentional. My hair change was neither. Quite honestly, it wasn't even my idea. My sister Tiffany asked me to braid her hair, and I commented on how pretty the hair was. A beautiful ombre of dark brown, lightening to a honey blonde at the ends. Even as I decided to give the braids a try, I envisioned them in my natural dark brown hair color. But Tiff was persistent and insisted I give the blonde a chance. I was certain blonde was not my color. I've never been so happy to be wrong. When I put the braids in my hair 2 days later and looked in the mirror to find I didn't look silly at all. The honey blonde picked up on the yellow undertone in my chocolatey brown skin and made my complexion look bright and glowy. I loved the color. I was proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone and trying something new. At the beginning of this year, I made a vision board for myself. Changing my hair was not on the board. But being bolder, not settling, and going after what I want is. I look at myself in the mirror and see the bold color, and it reminds me to embrace change, try new things. That if you keep making small steps in the right direction, it adds up to big goals being achieved. I knew that I wanted to change my life, and now I'm very glad I also changed my hair.